Now let's have a look at multiple views of this product. Here's Echelon's FlexBike Ultra, which can be effective to your daily exercise routine for men and women. In this video, Michelle will be demonstrating on using a stationary bike, and towards the end of the video, we'll have a closer view at the useful features that you can benefit from. The battery-powered LCD display shows large numbers and also tracks your pulse, calories, speed, time, and distance. You can multitask by reading a book, watch TV, or be on the phone. It includes multiple comfortable padded hand grips while exercising multiple muscle groups. Here it has non-slip foot pedal safety straps. Here, Michelle is demonstrating the adjustable magnetic resistant bands during her routine. The red tension control knob, which is located just below the LCD display, that has 8 resistant levels. Here, Michelle is demonstrating a different muscle group. This exercise bike is lightweight, has a comfortable cushioned seat and cushioned backrest that's adjustable, is easy to roll into position, and has a small footprint. Let's have a closer view of this product in detail. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.